Welcome inside the world of engine manufacturing. How engines evolved from hand-built to robotic assembly. Inline, V-type, and boxer engines explained. Where aluminum and steel come from. Logistics delivering raw materials. Furnaces melting aluminum and iron. Casting engine block molds. Solidifying the block. Initial shaping by CNC. Micrometer level finishing. Laser and X-ray defect checks. Forging hardened steel crankshafts. Removing vibration via balancing. Lightweight aluminum pistons. Forged steel connecting rods. Anti-friction surfaces. Crankshaft placed into block. Piston slide into cylinders. Precision bolt tightening. Cam load shaping valves. Intake and exhaust valves. Head mold casting. Finishing head surfaces. Head bolted to block. Sealing combustion chambers. Chain synchronizes rotation. Oil pump and channels. Water pump and coolant. Air intake and throttle. Exhaust manifolds. Injectors and fuel rail. Sensors and wiring. Power generation system. ECU control unit. Engine starts first time. Checking smoothness. Environmental compliance. Heat stress testing. Endurance testing. Technician approval. Laser engraving serial. Wrapping engines. Shipping logistics. Engine meets vehicle. Road simulation. Approval documents. Vehicle storage. Cargo shipping. Customer delivery. Maintenance basics. Common engine failures. Hybrid and hydrogen future. AI in manufacturing. Skilled human workers. Factory safety systems. Recycling and emissions. Cost breakdown. Fun facts. Summary. Subscribe for more factory stories.